So we're learning to evaluate functions, and here's a function. We're given f of x equals 1 over 3, open parentheses, 4 minus x, close parentheses, squared. And for reference, this is number 20 from the 2018 released STAR test. And this is a supporting TEK called TEK 12b, which is about evaluating functions. We're asked to evaluate this function at f of 16. In practice, all that means is we're going to go through this equation or this expression here and replace all the x's with 16s. So we're going to rewrite 1/3, open parentheses, 4 minus 16, close parentheses, squared. Now what's important here is that we use PEMDAS, okay? And so the first letter means parentheses and then exponent. So we want to go ahead and subtract 16 from 4 inside the parentheses, which would give us negative, what would 4 minus 16 give us? Negative 12, right? Okay, so we're going to rewrite, so much of algebra is just rewriting. Rewrite f of 16 equals, we rewrite the 1/3, we do open parentheses, and we write negative 12, close parentheses, squared. Now, a negative 12 squared is the same thing as negative 12 times negative 12. A negative times a negative is a positive, and most of us know our perfect squares up till 12. What's 12 times 12? 144. So negative 12 times negative 12 is positive 144. So now I go back and write again, f of 16 equals 1/3. And now I don't need the parentheses. I just need to put a times dot. And then in the numerator section, I need to write 144 over 1. And so essentially this becomes a division problem. It's 144 divided by 3. Okay? So over in side work, there's a lot of ways to do this, but you know, the easiest way is just long division. We're going to put a 3 here. How many times will 3 go into 1? It won't. 3 go into 14? 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract 12 from 14, you get 2. You bring down the 4. 3 goes into 24 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. There is no remainder. So the quotient is this whole number, 48. So that's f of 16 equals 48. Now this is very important. This is very important that you understand this. How to read this. What it means is when, like if you were going to graph it, when x is 16, y is 48. So you can express your answer as a coordinate pair if you wanted to, 16 comma 48. Which number did they want in this problem? They wanted the 48. Okay. Now, if you're uncomfortable with the paper and pencil mathematics here. Notice we did not use a calculator. But if you're uncomfortable with this method, or you're trying to save time, you can go to your calculator and you can go to y equals, clear out anything that's there, and type the original equation as it was given to us in the problem. So I'm going to type that 1/3 open parentheses 4 minus x squared. To get that fraction, you hit alpha y equals enter. Then you put 1/3 right arrow, open parentheses 4 minus x, close parentheses, squared. Now, if you hit second graph, you're presented with this huge table. And you would have to scroll down to where x is equal to 16. So you could play this game of going down, 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 and just keep hitting it down until you're at 16. You see that the blue answer y is 48. But the OG math way to do it would be to hit second window and change the independent variable, which is x, from auto to ask. Then hit second graph and just give it the 16. And then it will spit the answer right back at you, 48. So those are two ways to do that problem.